Or maybe if we step into the light, you'll be able to see it a bit more here. So we're gonna break it again. Or more, I guess. So, we're gonna aim for this one, and I don't even know if there's like... Why do these even exist? You can't rotate them, like... This is me pressing as hard as I can with one hand. Oh my gosh. I mean, sure, part of that could be because it's broken, but it's just terrible. I don't even know. Alright, so... Making sure I'm looking at the right place. Well, I had to look through my phone to even see because... Cancer. Oh yeah, semi-damp grass. Alright, this time we hit it on the corner. Don't know. Yep, there you go. You can see it now. I'm barefoot. My dog ditched me. So let's try this again. You know what? Actually, I want to see how well this looks. Is there... I don't have a stand. So we're going to see how this is. Aiming for this one right here. I completely missed. And the reason I'm missing is because I'm slightly afraid I'm going to hit myself. Like it's going to bounce back, hit me in the leg, and it's going to suck. And I don't want that. Oh, we got some crackage. There it is. Alright, let's keep going.